राम बने कभी नरसिंह रूप है तारा, तेरा नरसिंह रूप है न्यारा।
Namaskar to all of you. In Uttarakhand temple history, today we are going to tell you the history of the mythological temple of Lord Narsingh in Jyotirmath, which is known as Joshimath in today's time. Hope you like it. If you like, then subscribe the channel, like the video and comment also please. Let's start. This temple is dedicated to Lord Narsingh Temple, Joshimath. Has a history of around 1200 years. The idol that sits inside was constructed during the reign of Lalitya Yuka in the 8th century. The idol of Lord Vishnu in Narsingh Avatar is made of Shaligram stone. Narsingh, the 4th avatar of Lord Vishnu. The shrine is also one of the 108 Divya Dasham of Vishnu. Narsingh Temple is located at a height of 1875 meter at Joshimath.
वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्.
It is a gateway to several Himalayan climbing expedition and pilgrim center like Badrinath. The temple where the Lord Vishnu himself appeared in its 4th incarnation in the form of Narsimha Avatar. It means half lion and half man. It is located in Lower Bazar area of Joshimath, Chamoli, district of Uttarakhand, India. The deity's idol in the temple is 25 cm high and sit on a lotus. This idol is believed to uncreated and self-existent from eternity. On the left-hand side of Lord Narsingh, there is an idol of goddess Chandika. On the right-hand side of Lord Narsingh are Lord Rama, goddess Sita Ji, Lord Hanuman Ji and Garuda. Narsingh Temple is a popular temple in Joshimath, famous as a part of Saptabadri. It is also called as Narsingh Badri Temple and a scared place to visit in Joshimath. Narsingh Temple is the place where Badri Vishal rest during winter.
वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्. नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि.
The idol of Badrinath temple is taken down to Narsingh temple by the priest of the Badrinath during winters. Badrinath idol is then placed along with Narsingh idol. Legends believe that the Narsingh idol is shrinking slightly day by day, and scientists also support to prophecy to some extent by finding Joshimath area a landslide prone area. As per legends and prophets, after the Kali Yuga in Satyug, Badrinath will transfer his seat to Bhavishya Badri. That temple is located at 20 km from Joshimath. According to some other beliefs, it is believed that the idol is installed in this temple. His right hand is getting thinner, which is as thin as a hair, and the day this hand breaks. It is believed that on that day, two mountains, Jai Vijay, who comes on the way to Badrinath, will unite both the mountains and the god of Badrinath temple. Badrinath will disappear from the present temple and appear as the black stone Saligram at Bhavishya Badri temple. According to the prophecy, after route for Badrinath temple is closed, Bhavishya Badri will be the place of worship for the devotees of Lord Badrinath. Lord Vishnu appeared in Narsingh avatar to kill the arrogant demon Hiranyakashyap. That Lord Narsingh saved his devotee Prahlad from the tyranny of his father. Holi, it is a Hindu festival which relates with the story of Lord Narsingh saving his devotee Prahlad from his aunt Holika. Hence, when Holika sat in the fire with Prahlad on his father's order, she was burned off while Prahlad came out alive. The festival signifies the victory of good over evil and is played with colors. Narsingh Jayanti, it calls for a celebration on the day when Lord Vishnu appeared in his half-human and half-lion form, popular as Lord Narsingh. This festival falls on the Shukla Chaturdasi in the month of Vaisakh. This temple attracts a huge throng of Vaishnavites and pilgrims from across India looking to offer their darshan at this holy temple. Originally called Jyotirmath, today's Joshimath, is the gateway to numerous trails and ancient routes among the snow-clad mountains. Joshimath is famous as one of the 4 famous peeths established by Adi Shankaracharya ji. Jollygrant Airport, Dehradun is the nearest airport available to reach Joshimath. It is at a distance of 268 km from Joshimath. By train, Rishikesh is the nearest railway station. It is 256 km to Joshimath. By road, buses, mini travelers, hire taxi are available for Rishikesh, Badrinath, Joshimath from ISBT Kashmiri Gate, Delhi. The temple is at walking distance from the Joshimath bus stop. Please like, share this video and subscribe Uttarakhand Temple History. God bless. Take care. Thanks for watching.
पहली आरती प्रहलाद वारे
भगवन दशरथ रायण नरसिंह वासुदेवाय नरसिंह रूप
कुश नख उदर दीदारे दूसरी आरती वामन सेवा
नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि द्वापर वासुदेवाय
कलियुगे पधारे हरि देवा कार्तिक जय नरसिंह कुंवर की
बाल रूप में वासुदेवाय धीमहि वासुदेवाय